Hi there, I'm Juliet. Welcome to my garage. This episode will be really nuts. Let's get into it. Finally, I got time to work on my amazing projects. This is also thanks to you. So you know what to do, so I have more time. I will show you a couple of interesting things, and today we will try to make a brake job on the Rover, you know from the previous episode. For Safira, I finally got the fuel pump, so she will be soon ready for her first race. There are so many things I need to tell you about my darling, so there will be a whole episode only about this girl. This gorgeous red Jag needs a new gearbox, and this is what was keeping me busy the last days. And of course, I will make an episode only about this. In the last days, I have been working on Valkyrie. Valkyrie is C5 Corvette 98. She is here for a long due maintenance. She has a lot of electric issues, and one of my job was also to reseal the rear differential because it was leaking. I had to take out the rear axle, and then came my first problem with the nut. It was so hard. I tried to do anything. I heated it up, I froze it, I tried all possible tools. And then I was so desperate, I drilled 2 holes to loosen it, to make it weaker, and then I used this impact word, and I won the fight. There will be, of course, another episode about Corvette, because there is a lot of things to do. You know that mechanic troubles always come in 3 iterations. When I was about to make the rear brake job on the Rover, I discovered that I have to take a rear axle out. I knew it will be a fight. This is why I made no episode about it. But I won. I took it out. And then there was another nut waiting for me. I thought it's a new car, it will be not a problem. However, I am experienced and I prepared myself. I bought the longest breaker bar in the world and I extended it. I was jumping on it and doing other kinds of acrobatic, but it didn't help. For this huge nut, I also bought the biggest socket in the world, 52 millimeters, and I use my impact tool Word. I don't have it on the video because it was a fight. I was swearing like a sailor man. I was sweating. It was not nice, it was not glamorous. But if you want to see it, I will record it for you next time. Let's finally do the rear job. To make a rear brake job, you sadly have to disassemble the whole axle. This is how it is with this car. Now I will remove the nut, which is holding everything together. This is a very important part. Don't ever reuse the same nut again. I know many people do, but it's very dangerous. It makes no sense and it is very cheap part. By the way, with the Corvette it's the same story. I will not reuse the same nut which I drilled 2 times. I will use a new one. Another reason why it was so difficult to take it out, because somebody before reused it and tightened it too much. That's dangerous. I will remove the brake caliper. To take out the brake caliper, I have to disconnect the brake line because it is directly connected. I don't mind really, because I have to bleed the brakes anyway. I put a cap on it so I have not many bubbles in the system. I of course cleaned it already, but I will clean it again after I disassemble everything. The brake caliper is connected with 2 screws. I will take them out. Of course, if I will get there. Of course, it has that stupid flower. They cannot use a normal screw, they use the double hex. Anyway. Let's lose the second one. Where is it? Here. Whoa. Yeah. Now we are talking. Okay, I have it. Wait. Yeah. Now we can take the whole hub assembly out. No. Wait, I first take this out. Okay. It's the bearing. Oh yeah. Now it's out. This ring is ABS and traction control ring. I have to remove it. It is held by few screws. I hope they are not rusty. How do I do it? I don't know. Ah. Yes. Okay. One is completely out. Ah, now it is popping. Come on. No, come on. Here it is. So one screw. Now you see the screws which are holding the hub and brake disc together. And here again the screws are in shape of the stupid flower and in different size. I have to take them out. Okay. Oh yeah. Easy. Oh. Few hours later. Oh, I got it out. It was hell of a fight. About 30 minutes off the camera. The things you don't want to see. I damaged the brake disc, but it doesn't matter because this is what we are going to replace anyway. You know, nothing is easy with Land Rovers. I ordered brake disc from Bosch because they have good quality and I always order them. But then I realized those are the wrong ones. They are smaller and they are for cars without ABS. Why they deliver them to me? Nobody knows. That's why I drove the official Land Rover dealer and got the brake discs. Hopefully they will fit. Oof. That was it. We did everything. The only thing which is missing, we have to assemble everything the same way we disassembled before. And for the other side, so this episode will take another 3 hours. Like and subscribe. But to save your time, oh wait, is it really the proper size? Just to be sure. It is. So, thank you Land Rover. Now it is not that easy anymore with aftermarket parts. Very often you get wrong one or not a good enough quality. So buy OEM if you can. Thank you for watching. I will continue with my work. You rather watch my other videos where I don't scream and fight with rusty brakes. Love your cars, pet your cars. See you next time. Bye bye.